Hello YouTubers and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to use the Linux commands in Kali Linux Terminal. I hope you have seen that in different movies, like there's a black color screen and on that black color screen there's a green color font. Yeah, that is the terminal. So we are going to use how the Linux terminal works and how the commands are functioning and how they operate and many other stuff. So let's get started. So I'm going to fire up my Linux and log into my account. And here we are. So first of all, I'm going to open my Linux terminal. So there are two ways to open your Linux terminal. One way is to directly open from your desktop by right clicking on your mouse and open terminal here. And the other way to open your terminal is to simply click on the panel and click on XFCE terminal. If you are using the XFCE version of your Linux, the other version of Linux, GNOME, there's a different way to open. You just simply have a taskbar on the left side and click on terminal and it will be open. So it will be fine. So click on terminal and here we are. Right now I'm in the desktop directory, which means here. So for going back, or we use the command cd, which means change directory, and by using dot dot it will take me one directory back. For example, now I am back. I have one directory, and if I again say desktop, I'm again in the desktop directory. So here we are. So first of all, we are going to use the command echo, echo, which is used to print or which is used to show a message. So let's say echo and Mendex. And as you can see, the message was printed here, echo. So let's again say echo and Linux. Again, Linux. The message was printed as Linux. So now we are going to use the short form of calendar, which is cal. The command of cal is used to show the current month with the current date. Let's say cal. Before typing further commands, I would like to increase the size of the font. Yeah, perfect. So I just write the command cal. Here we are. Now as you can see, it shows me the current month with the current date, 12th March. Amazing. Now if I want to see the complete calendar with all the 12 months, I will just simply say calendar, and the current year is 2020. Let's say 2020, enter. Now here we are. As you can see, now I have the complete calendar of the year 2020. And if I want to see the complete calendar of another year, I will just simply type cal and 1995. Here we are. Now I am currently viewing the calendar of the year 1995. So again, let's get back to the current date. Okay, so I hope you understand this command. Here's another command to see the same output as this one. Just simply type cal-y. Again, as you can see that I have just typed the command cal-y, and I can have the current year with the current month and with current date marked on it. So Now we are going to perform the other command, which is date. The command of date is used to show the current date with the current day and the current time. Let's say date and enter. Now here we are. As you can see, it says Thursday 12th March 2020 and 4:57 AM and etc. So this is the function of the command date. Now we are going to use the command clear, which is used to clear the terminal. By using the clear command, it will be gone. So let's say CLEAR, enter. Before continuing to other commands, the Linux terminal is case sensitive. For example, if I just type echo and Linux and for clear this, if I say C capital and LEAR, it doesn't work. It will say that command not found. So just keep this thing in your mind that Linux is case sensitive. Okay. So the previous command I typed was date and then I typed clear. Okay, the other way to clear your terminal is to simply press Ctrl L. For example, let's say echo and Danny, or say echo Linux, or echo so to clear this, I'm just simply going to press Ctrl L. Now you can even note down somewhere on your notebook so you could understand or learn these commands. These are the basic, or this could be your base of using the Linux terminal. So I just press the keys Ctrl L to clear the terminal. Now if I want to know what are the previous commands I have done or I have performed, I'll just simply type the command history and enter. Now as you can see that after typing the command history, I have all the previous commands saved in my Linux terminal. So for example, if I want to use this 1500 here, if I want to use one of the previous commands, I will just simply say history and 1490, this one, and enter. It just simply showed me the previous command, which is cal 2020. You can see that the command which was run on 1490 was cal 2020. It was shown here. So I hope you understand. And if you want to clear your history, we are just simply going to say HISTORY and just simply say -C and enter. Boom, the history has gone. To check it, I am going to simply run it by saying history, and here we are. History only one. There's only one history left, which was right now. I just ran. Type this command history, or just say echo Linux or echo new and say history. So the first command I typed was history, the second one was Linux, and the third one was echo u and history again. So by using the history-c, this command is used to clear the previous history of commands. So I hope you understand this video, and if you want to exit the terminal, you can just simply press here on the side, the close sign or the X sign, or you can just simply type the command exit and gone. The terminal has been exited successfully. So I hope you understand this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the upcoming videos, we are further going to work on the other commands that will lead you from basic to advanced level. So hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe once again. Thank you.